Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
If your project has a CAD plan, the work starts here. Import plan, ground floor, and then open. By the way, this plan I'm importing here is the ground floor of the house we will be working on in the course DIALux evo for residential lighting. So don't miss this course out, it will help you a lot. To finish the importing or the importation of this plan, let's do the configuration. Let's first configure the origin and rotation of the plan. If we hit next, the DIALux by default will place the coordinate system in this lower left hand corner, but if we choose to place it wherever we want to, for example, I choose to place it here, then it will be placed there. The good news is that we could later change it, like by clicking on here. It's now grayed out, but afterwards it's going to be active and we will be able to change it. And the unit for this project is inch. Then I click finish, and then your project is there. And like I said, I can set the coordinate system to here, for example. In this vertical tab, plans, I can finish the configuration of my plan. I can also load a new plan, replace the existing plan, etc. I can here show the plan in all the views, for example, the side view, the building view, the story view, etc. Then if your plan is 3D, you can show it in 2D here. Then you can move the plan. For example, I want to move the plan from here to here. It moves. You can change the color of the layers. You can turn them on and off. For example, let's find a layer that we can turn off. Yes, the writing on here is now turned off. The walls, well, we can turn them off, all of them. We have nothing. Let's bring them back, and we have everything. You can also embed the plan in the project, but if you have a very big plan, then it's not recommended to embed it in the project because it's going to make it very heavy and your program will lag a lot. So don't embed it. Instead, you can, if you want to send it to someone or something, you can send a separate file. After you have successfully imported your CAD plan, you go to the vertical tab site, and on here it depends on the project, but if it's an indoor project, then you start drawing your new building. If it's an outdoor only project, you draw your floor elements. If it's an indoor and outdoor projects, you do both. That's how things work with the CAD plans.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.